She's the girl who can help us stay hydrated, refreshed, and beautiful all summer long. Here with her summer beauty essentials is the bubbly blonde McKenna Wesley. Good morning. Always great to see you.
Good morning, Suzanne. Thank you for having me.
Summer's here and we are feeling the heat, so you're going to help us stay beautiful. And I know for me personally, when I get a little color the healthy way, I tend to look and feel better.
Yes, so the first one I have is this Saint-Tropez self-tanning mousse. So you have to get the mitt with it. What I love about this one is it doesn't have that self-tanner smell, and you can wash this off within 4 hours. I actually go with the darkest one because it gradually increases over time. So you can leave it on up to 8 hours, but you can wash it off and you don't have that smell.
I love it because I love a good self-tanner, and it's the smell that always gets me. But when we head outside, we need to all put SPF on before we leave the house, but also then when we put our makeup on, you kind of have a 2-for-1.
Yes, so Revision Skincare came out with this award-winning tinted moisturizer called IntelliShade with SPF 45. I love this. It's great for all skin tones.
And let's talk about hair, because in this dry desert climate, my hair always tends to dry out. You have something special to keep it really hydrated and flowing in the wind.
Yes, so Save Me From Hair actually has a hair mask that you can put on your hair when you're going to sleep, and it helps your hair not have any breakage out in the sun. I really like this product. It smells great and you just use a little bit. This bottle has lasted me for almost 2 years.
Oh my gosh, that is a good deal. And let's talk about kind of getting that beachy look again, right here in the desert.
Yes, so I have 2 different texture sprays, and this will give you those beachy waves that you're looking for. This one is great because you can put it on wet hair, and this Orbe one is great because you can put it on dry hair. These are both great. I actually sometimes use this one as like a hairspray too.
And do you put that on like after you get out of the shower and then spray it on and kind of crunch it? How do you apply it?
So this one, I just spray on my hair just normally, and then I just brush my hair out, and then I just kind of wave it in, and then I go, and it just air dries. Now this one I style after I've dried my hair.
Gotcha. All right. And then we all look like $1,000,000 like you do. I can't wait for that. But let's talk about makeup. How can I get that bronze kind of glowy look?
So NARS came out with this great bronzer that is great for all skin tones as well. I just use a little bit because I'm more of on the fair side. I'm wearing some right now. And it's just great. It gives you that natural like sun-kissed glow. And then NARS also came out with this gloss. It's very light. It's kind of a nude pinkish color. And it just goes on. Just a normal little gloss. You know,
and I really like the brand NARS. We've had one of their makeup artists on before, and it goes on. I mean, it's such high quality product. It goes on smoothly, and I feel like it doesn't get cakey at all.
No, it doesn't. It's very smooth and it lasts all day. I really like their products.
All right, McKenna, thank you so much. I love all the essentials. I am now ready to hit the beach and take a vacation. Thank you so much. Always great to see you. And if you want to find out more information about McKenna and all of her beauty essential finds,